Onions are one of the most commonly used foods in daily cooking across the world. Onions are traditionally valued for digestion, natural antioxidants, and overall dietary balance. But not all onions provide the same value. Fresh, firm onions are very different from old or poorly stored ones. Onion quality is not decided in the kitchen. It is decided during growth and handling. To understand onion quality, we first need to understand how onions grow. Onions grow best in mild weather and well-drained soil. Onion leaves feed the bulb. Healthy leaves alone do not guarantee strong bulbs. Excess nitrogen produces large leaves but weak bulb formation. Compact soil restricts bulb expansion, and crowded plants compete for space. Watering at the wrong stage weakens bulb development. Many onion losses happen after harvest, not during growth. Harvesting onions too early or too late weakens bulbs. Proper drying allows the outer layers to protect the bulb. Small cuts during handling and poor storage conditions cause spoilage. Good onions are the result of balanced growing and careful handling.